Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth setting in a Tecno phone. In this video guys, I will show you guys which earphone guys you have connected and guys you want to disconnect in your Tecno phone. So guys, how can you disconnect in this video guys? I am going to show you guys how to disconnect earphone guys. This neckband guys, I have this earphone neckband and guys I want to disconnect. So first of all guys, I will on my phone setting to disconnect this earphone. Then guys scroll it, then guys you can see your more connection setting guys, tap here and guys click on your Bluetooth setting. So friends, you can see guys this earphone guys I have connected in my Tecno phone. I want to disconnect. So guys, how can I disconnect guys? You can see right side the setting icon. So guys tap here, then guys you can see there are two options: first forget and second disconnect. So guys you want to disconnect and guys you want to forget. So I want to disconnect, so I will disconnect from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect earphones to our Technophone device. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.